Hey beautiful, it is the beginning of another month, which means I just got my monthly Stitch Fix in the mail. This is my May Stitch Fix. I, first of all, cannot believe that we are already into May for this year. Time is flying by, but I got my May Stitch Fix. I wanted to unbox it here and show you what I got in the month of May. Now, if you don't already know what Stitch Fix is a monthly styling subscription service. I say monthly, but actually you can pick how often you want your fixes to be sent to you. I like to do mine monthly, but basically you have a personal stylist that shops for you based on a style profile quiz you take online. Then you have a stylist that picks out items specially selected for you based on your profile, and they send them right to you to try on. So this is what I got in the month of May. Now, in my last month's Stitch Fix, I did something new that I had never tried before. It was something that was newly offered to me, and that was a style preview. Which meant I received an email prior to my fix being mailed to me, and they let me know that I had 48 hours to look at the email and see the items. There was like 10 maybe or 12 items that I could choose from to include in my fix if I wanted. So last month, I'll link that video in the description. I did that for the very first time, and then I was deciding when I did that last month if I was going to do that again. So this month I did do the style preview. So again, I received an email. It had somewhere between 10 to 12 items in the email that I could select and include up to 5 of them in my Stitch Fix. To be honest, I didn't include any of them. So all of the items that were available in my style preview, I didn't love, so I didn't choose any of them. So even though I had a preview, I didn't pick any of the items, so I still have no idea what's coming in this fix. But if you want to see more about how the preview works, I showed the email that I received, and then I even showed the checkout process of how you check out with Stitch Fix in last month's video, and again, I'll link that in the description if you want to check that out. But this month is a complete surprise for me. So let's open it up and see. So if you're new to Stitch Fix, again, everything is pre-selected for you, and they even give you a bag to return everything. So all you have to do is try everything on, keep what you love, anything you don't love, you put back into that bag, the prepaid shipping bag, send it back, and it is seriously the easiest way to shop. All right, it looks like this month I got some clothes, and I also have a bag, which means shoes. So each fix comes with a total of 5 items, and you get to pick the categories. So you can pick either clothing only, or you can pick clothing and shoes, or clothing, shoes, and accessories. Mine is set up for clothing and shoes, but not every fix includes shoes. It's just certain ones. So if we open this up, let's see. Okay. So first off is a beautiful pair of olive green shorts. Now I feel like I know why they sent me these, because this reminds me of a pair of pants that I kept from Stitch Fix like just a couple fixes ago. It is almost the exact color. It feels very similar to the material. So they took a note out of that. Obviously I liked those pants and kept them, so they sent me a pair of shorts. It feels like a really great material. All right, let's see. I think I got a little tangled here. What's going on? Oh no, it's a set. Ooh, okay, I'm excited for this. I have not received any sets from Stitch Fix. Okay, I am here for this. Super comfortable, like a thicker t-shirt material. Gray tank top. Loving that. Oh, and it's got like a really deep V in the middle. Super cute. And then a pair of shorts. Loving this for loungewear, and it's really, really soft and cozy. I'm excited for that. Let's see, this appears to be, I think it's just a longer shirt. Again, really, really soft material. It feels like a soft cotton, but it's stretched. So my guess is that it's mixed. A really cute floral pattern. And then a thin, I can't tell if this is a green. I think it's like a deep, deep green. It might be black, but it almost has a hint of a green to it. Polka dotted, lightweight, short sleeve shirt. This is definitely the cut and the fit of styles of shirts that I have a lot from Stitch Fix. I really like this cut of shirt. And that is super, super cute. I'm excited to try that on. And then let's take a look at the shoes. Okay, this is my favorite part. This is my favorite part of the whole fix. Look at this. You guys, I mean, yes, 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 yes. I will definitely be keeping these. Look how adorable that is. I am obsessed with flip-flops. So this is a flip-flop sandal. It's got a little zipper in the back. Yes, I will be keeping these for sure. Okay, so one of my favorite things that Stitch Fix does is this styling card. So the styling card includes pictures of all the items that they sent you and gives you ideas on how you can style those items, which I love. I love getting ideas of how I can style and put an item together because that is very much how I like to see and do style, because oftentimes if I see something on a mannequin, I'm like, oh yes, I want that whole thing. So having the card, I think, makes it really easy, and oftentimes they'll give you different options of different ways that you can pair and wear that same item. The other thing that they do is you get a note from your stylist. So I'm going to read you the note that I got this month from my stylist. It says, "Hey Sarah, it's Fix Day, the best day of the week." I completely agree. "I hope you are doing well. Did you know that this is our 5th fix together?" So I've been doing Stitch Fix for several years, but this is my 5th fix with this particular stylist. So with Stitch Fix now, at the end of each fix, you rate the items, tell them what you're keeping, what you're returning, but you also have the ability to keep the same stylist, give Stitch Fix the option to keep a stylist or choose a new stylist, or you can tell them if you just prefer a brand new stylist. So this is my 5th fix with this particular stylist, and she says, "Thank you for sticking with me as I learn your style." And I think that is really key. The other thing you can do with Stitch Fix that I find really helpful is you can attach a Pinterest board. And I really find that the stylists that I have used in the past have really paid attention to that board. So if you're pinning certain outfits and items on your Pinterest board, a lot of times I'll find that items similar end up in my fixes. So I like the idea of sticking with the same stylist so that they really do get to know you and learn your style. So thank you for sticking with me as I learn your style. After reviewing some feedback and past fixes, I know you don't need any more jeans, so I got you those olive shorts you can wear with the white top you got in your December fix. So again, I love Stitch Fix because they are incorporating and they remember the items that you kept before and still allowing you to utilize and style those items time and time again. I focused on getting you a spring-focused fix with lots of bright tops. I got you this red romper you can wear with some sandals and a short necklace. So I guess that wasn't a dress, I guess that was a romper, which means, does that mean I have shorts? It was a short. Okay, it wasn't a dress, all right. You can also pair this with a cardigan when it's cooler outside. Lastly, I snagged you this lounge set, which is perfect for a chill Saturday at home or at home movie night. You are a gem, and I am so excited for you to wear this spring romper. Oh, so sweet. As usual, I'll be anticipating your feedback and any notes for the next time. Have a wonderful week. Best, Anna. So I just love how personalized Stitch Fix is. Notes like this really tell you that they are paying attention. They want to style successful fixes for you and continue to do so. So I'm going to be completely honest with you and tell you right now, I have done a handful of these Stitch Fix unboxing videos here on my channel, and typically I try on all, if not most of the items. However, 3 of the 5 items happen to be shorts. And I have not self-tanned. I am not ready for shorts yet for this season, so I will not be trying those on here for you in this Stitch Fix. But what I am gonna do is go ahead and try on this top and we'll see how it fits. Okay, so I've got the top on and I did pair it with the adorable sandals, which I will be keeping. And after trying the top on, I actually think I'm gonna be keeping this one as well. It definitely is more of a green. It's not black. It probably may look black on my phone, but it is like a deep, deep olive green. And I thought it was like a cute pattern, but kind of just more simple. But once I put it on, I thought it was really, really flattering. So I will be keeping the top, and I will be keeping, of course, the sandals. I'm obsessed with those. It's my favorite item of the fix. But let me rate and decide what else I'm going to be keeping from this current fix. So the first one here is the romper, and I will also share prices with you again. So with this romper, the red romper, I really just don't think I am a romper girl. Maybe someday in the future, but let's see. This one was the French gray Pippa brushed knit romper in red, and it is $48. So I actually really like the color. I think the pattern is really fun for spring, but I don't know. I don't know that I'm a romper girl, so I don't think I will be keeping this. Now the shorts are the Market and Spruce Alicia embroidered shorts in olive. These are $58. I actually don't have any colored shorts. The shorts that I have all currently are all denim shorts, so because of that and because I really do like this color, I most likely will be keeping these shorts just so I have a little bit more of a variety in my wardrobe. And then we have the lounge set. Now here I feel really silly because when I first unboxed it, first I was confused. I thought they were tangled. It's one item, that's one set that's attached. But I feel silly because I thought the top was ruched, but that was again just the string here attaching them together was through the front of the shirt. So it's not ruched in the front, but it is just the gray lounge set. Again, it's super, super soft, but this one is the Market and Spruce Lounge Russo tank and shorts in light gray, and for that whole set it is also $58. And then last we have what I am wearing, which is the 41 Hawthorne Zara flutter sleeve blouse in the color dark green, and it is $38. And then we have the Report Footwear Lindsay laser cut sandal in taupe for $50. Stitch Fix truly is one of my favorite ways to shop for a couple of reasons. First is it actually gets me out of my comfort zone and it gets me to try on things that I normally wouldn't pick out for myself at the store. They send me items, and because it comes to me, I try it on and then I end up thinking, you know what? I actually like the way that it looks and I keep it. So it expands my wardrobe. And then the other reason is because it is so convenient. Everything comes right to you. So the way Stitch Fix works is they do charge a styling fee for them to create and style and send all the items to you. But that styling fee goes towards any of the items that you want to keep. So if you keep an item, your styling fee goes towards the cost of that item, so you're not out any money. But if you are brand new to Stitch Fix, you've never tried it, you think it looks really fun, I'm telling you, it's one of my favorite ways to shop. I do have a link for it in the description of this video where you can get your very first fix risk-free. So you're gonna have money towards your first fix, which means your styling fee is taken care of. So if you end up not liking anything, you're not out anything because your fix fee is covered for you. So I do have a link for that in the description of this video, but I wanted to thank you again for watching another monthly Stitch Fix unboxing with me. If you did like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.